Sunny day. Pepper and her family are going on holiday.
Dito mo bawang. Pikit isong na Pedro ka bagahon ka. Kamu ngayon. Nalilong ka bagahon ka. Nayin nanti ka Pedro. Dapat dalo ka sa kasuina. Bobo naman. Nya suina do kanya suina. Di malay gakinag. Pala di makinagila sa boses. Ito tapos bawag. Ito ang bahay. Anong bahay? Bahay is ang, di ba? Parang kung magdaro di ka kinag. Duro ka ganing badarunin. Ubo Tagalog. Di ko ganing katang paano ko mambaca di ko kakwana ata. Di ko tam ko pami di nang katang kinagsinalo. De kasi itong bahay niya pengin din ning kabung katawan andam buko sa sino kag nagnakan no doon ka pagamo ka na mong ka din adi din kamu nga dra pagamo ka pwede mo ni English or in the noun din so guys in the noun then tiny inside too.
Yes, it's really very small in here.
That's fine, because we will be outside most of the time,
beach
enjoying
in the
the
sun.
sunshine.
Let's walk
Ito ang
down to the
sang
beach
bobo.
now. Yes.
There are
Nini
so
namba
many
is
fun things to do
beach
when it's
dito
sunny.
bobo. Huwag lang ng babaya.
Back inside the
Basaw.
house, everyone.
Dukan sa walay bobo.
I'm sure the
Nakat
rain will stop soon.
nakaulan ng babaya.
We'll just find
Nga ba,
something
kita na
fun
ko,
to do
dahil mata mo na magambo.
indoors. We can
Mga
watch
gumbal ka na ng mga wata.
I
Iway,
don't
hindi
think
kasi
there is
watat
a
ka
television, Peppa.
Mga bulag. No television is in
on the computer.
computer.
There is no computer either.
Walang
This is a
computer,
very
bobo.
old house.
Kasi, hindi matanta. The book
There's a
people.
visitor's book.
The book.
People who've been
This
on
is the
holiday
book.
in this house have written what they did here.
And they do pictures.
Pictures.
It was lovely and sunny. Then it rained and rained and rained. Someone else has written rain, rain, rain.
Is niya ba rain naman. Kikita lang ko sa rain. Pero galihan ko bubpig sa rain.
Here is the little house with Mummy, Daddy,
Bobby Pig.
Peppa,
And
George.
and pig.
Here is the rainbow.
Very good, Peppa.
Color ito. Bobo, panatabasan sa na koloran. Pero, blue ka bun man ako si George.
The rain will
Why
stop
gani,
soon.
blue ka no lang. Karim na matag ka mo ka.
Raining and
Kasi Daddy Pig. Sige.
Looks like we're gonna have to stay
Ayun,
indoors a
kita
bit
mo.
longer.
I know. Let's